Standard 7, Tome 3, Test number 12, Economic, Tax and its Importance. Question number 1. Regardless of the amount of income, taxation is the same as taxation. Professional taxation. Question number 2. What tax is the tax rate going to increase income? Progressive taxation. Question number 3. Dash tax is a tax applied uniformly, taking a large percentage of income from low income earners than from high income earners. Regressive taxation. It is opposition to a progressive tax. Question number 4. What is the property tax? Direct tax. Question number 5. In what year was the Central Board of Revenue Act enacted? 1963. Question number 6. When was Road Safety Week first celebrated in India? 1989. Question number 7. What kind of tax is gift tax? Direct tax. Question number 8. What is the tax levied on the use of improved infrastructure by the state? Toll tax and road tax. Question number 9. The tax burden shifted on one person and transferred on another is the dash tax respectively, the indirect tax. Question number 10. What tax is a service tax? The indirect tax. Question number 11. What is sales tax and value added tax? The indirect tax. Question number 12. What is the excise duty levied by this federal government? The indirect tax. Question number 13. What is the tax on entertainment? The indirect tax. Question number 14. What is the tax on goods and service? The indirect tax. Question number 15. When was the first value added tax introduced in India? Haryana, 2003. Question number 16. When was the goods and service tax introduced in India? July 1, 2017. Question number 17. How many slabs of goods and service tax are there? 5 slabs. 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%. Question number 18. The tax on which of these is collected separately by the state government? Petroleum products, alcoholic drinks, electricity. Question number 19. What are the goods and services tax exempted? Vegetable, food grains, essential commodities. Question number 20. When was Swachh Bharat just started? What is its rate? 2015, November 15th, 0.5%. Thank you.